We always talk about checklists, we always talk about governance. Every well run dental office has SOPs that the team should follow every single day. But here's the problem: checklists on paper don't enforce themselves. Checklists can't be pen and paper or Excel sheets in 2026 anymore. Kasper noticed this shift early and started acting on it. The real shift? The ability to automate your checklists and governance rules and surface the most critical workflow exactly when an event triggers it. This is the new operating model for modern dental practices. Detect. Kasper identifies an event. Flag. It surfaces the issue to the right person. Act. It presents the exact workflow to resolve the issue. Verify. It confirms compliance. Everything I'm about to show you follows this pattern: detect, flag, act, verify. Kasper noticed and introduced solutions. Let's take some use cases and examples. Use case number 1: when patients show up in your office. The lobby is the first touch point. Kasper can detect every issue the moment a patient checks in and surface the workflow to fix it before they sit in the chair. Kasper displays in-office patients on a Kanban-style board, tracking each patient from arrival to checkout. Sarah Johnson arrives. Kasper flags that her consent form is not signed. The workflow to resend it is surfaced instantly. Marcus Williams. Insurance is not verified. Kasper prompts your front desk to verify before he sits in the chair. Emily Chen. It's her birthday, and she's a new patient. Kasper reminds your front desk to say happy birthday and offer a discount. James Rivera. $450 past due. Payment plan overdue. Kasper flags it so your team can collect before he leaves. Nicole Brooks at checkout. No hygiene scheduled and $2,100 in unscheduled treatment. Don't let her leave without booking. Lisa Patel. Been waiting 12 minutes, past your 10-minute threshold, and her medical form is still incomplete. Use case number 2: automated patient communication. Many offices have specific SOPs for how and when they communicate with patients. Kasper can automate these rules, sending the right message at the right time, triggered by events, without your staff having to remember. After a tooth extraction, automatically send post-op instructions. On a patient's birthday, send a greeting with a discount. Recall reminders, open balance text to pay, unscheduled treatment follow-ups, year-end use it or lose it, all event triggered, running daily. Use case number 3: when a cancellation creates a gap in the schedule. Kasper makes it as simple as one click for the front desk to find the perfect patient to fill that gap. Here's the schedule. Notice the blinking gap in Dr. Smith's column. A cancellation just happened. Your front desk simply hovers on the gap. A tooltip appears. Pick a treatment type to search for patients. Select crowns. Kasper instantly finds the best patients to fill this gap, ranked by match score. Donna Cecchio, 81% match, 1539 crown, last visit 1 month ago. Now drag the patient directly onto the gap. Booked. Appointment confirmed. The gap is filled. Revenue recovered. Workflows that surface exactly when events are triggered, automatically detecting issues, flagging patients, and presenting the right action at the right moment. And it doesn't stop at check-in. The same pattern applies to phone calls. For SOPs to be followed, information must be instantly accessible. When a patient calls, or when your team calls them, a pop-up appears automatically. Next appointment, last visit, balance, hygiene status, unscheduled treatment, family members. When your front desk has this in front of them, they can follow your rules. Mention the patient name, remind about hygiene, collect the balance. Accessible information enables compliance. Now let's see how Kasper supervises the actual calls. Use case number 4: supervising phone calls. Every call has a purpose: collecting payment, booking appointments, handling post-op complaints, answering billing questions. Kasper can detect the topic of every call, check your governance rules, and alert you when standards aren't met. Here, a cancellation call. Kasper identified the topic: cancellation. Did the agent ask the cancellation reason? Yes. But did the agent offer to reschedule? No. That's a governance rule failure, flagged in red. The patient left without a new appointment. Your office has a rule: if a patient cancels, always offer another time slot. Kasper caught the violation. If your office has a rule saying mention the patient name 3 times as a personal touch, Kasper checks that too. Now a different call. Same system, different topic. This is a payment collection call. Jessica called Marcus to collect an outstanding balance. The topic was detected. Payment collection. Billing questions. Was payment processed? Yes. Was text to pay offered? Yes. Patient name mentioned 3 times? No. Flagged. Another scenario, a patient in pain calls after an extraction. Kasper detects the topic, patient in pain. Is the pain related to a recent visit? Yes. Extraction on April 8th. Amanda advised ibuprofen, salt rinses, and texted post-op instructions automatically. Did the agent offer a follow-up appointment? Yes. Patient name mentioned 3 times? Yes. All rules passed. Whether it's incoming or outgoing, scheduling or pain, Kasper supervises every call against your rules. But how do you configure these rules? You define the topics: cancellation, scheduling, payment, patient in pain. Each topic has follow-up questions. For each question, you set an alert rule. If the answer is no, email me, text me, create a task. Mark it as urgent. Assign it to a specific person. When the AI detects a no answer, the notification fires automatically. Task created. Email sent. The manager knows immediately. This is how governance rules become enforceable. When a rule fails, Kasper doesn't just flag it, it creates a task. Missed call not returned within 1 hour? Task. Voicemail left but no live follow-up call? Task. These tasks are assigned, tracked, and closed. Your team must follow through. Kasper verifies. At the end of every day, an aggregated call intelligence summary lands in your inbox. Calls that went well, calls that need attention. You also get a daily payment transactions report, showing which credit cards on payment plans failed. 6 failed transactions totaling $158.76. Every patient, every card, every amount, in your inbox every morning. This is how you catch revenue leakage before it compounds. First, enforce the standards. These are the rules your office sets. Abandoned calls under 2 per week. Here's the trend, mostly 0, with a spike that needs attention. Missed calls returned within 1 hour. Collections for 90-plus day production should never fall below 97%. Currently at 59.93%, flagged. All payments must be allocated and mapped to a procedure. Kasper flags unallocated amounts automatically. And patient uncollected balance should be 0. Kasper flags any outstanding amounts. Automate your checklists and your governance rules. Every patient event, a check-in, a call, a cancellation, a missed payment, triggers the exact workflow your team needs. Rules are enforced, gaps are filled, nothing falls through the cracks. This is how modern dentistry operations look like. Event-based dentistry, and it's here now.